Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. It's Tipsy Tuesday. I have a sweet little project for tonight and somewhat of an experiment. We'll see how it turns out, whether it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So generally, I have said the only time you wax is when you're waxing wood. But I'm going to try something a little bit different tonight because I've heard it works well. And it might solve that fuzz, 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 fuzz like crazy problem when you are putting something on chalk suede. Now this is a chalk suede insert from the drop-in box frame. And I am going to wax it. It feels like suede, and I'm a little hesitant to wax it because I don't know if that diminishes the suede feel or not. But if it makes it much easier to apply the transfer and not so difficult to lift it off, then so much the better. So I've got some of my little surface wax here. It's our unscented surface wax, and I am just going to rub it over my surface, my chalk suede surface. I'm using a paper towel. You could use our little buffer if you have it. And then after I have it all applied, then I'm just going to go back over it with a different piece of the paper towel. Usually I use the reverse of my little buffer and basically buff off any excess. Now I know I have some on the side there and I'm going to have to take that off, but you'll feel a difference. All of a sudden you'll just glide all over the surface when you've got it, all the excess buffed off. So this feels kind of nice, actually. Ooh, yeah, it still feels, I think I just scratched it with my fingernails. Let me go back over that. Yeah, I did scratch it with my nails. It still feels a little bit like the chalk suede, only it doesn't feel as much as suede. It's like it's diminished, but you could still feel it a little bit. And I know I've got a little bit of wax on my edges here, so let me make sure I clean that off. No reason to leave that on there. Okay, so I've only waxed one side because this is an experiment, of course, right? And I'm going to use this transfer called Relax. I always tell people to relax and chill, and I need to take my own advice sometimes. So I'm going to apply this. Of course, I'm going to fuzz it. Oops, a little bit of wax there. And I'm going to use our Duchess paste and our Shimmer Moonlight. So let me get my little fuzzing cloth out here and see if I can eliminate the excess fuzzing when using the chalk suede boards. Now those chalk suede boards are great on our little drop-in box frame. There's a little slot there. It could sit horizontally or vertically. So this is going to be horizontal, so it's fine. And we'll see how this goes. This is pretty sticky. It's brand new. This is one of the new items in our autumn 2023 release, and it says Relax in large bold letters, and then beneath it, nothing is under control. And isn't that the way it truly is most of the time? Okay, so I only fuzzed about 5 times or so. And let's try this out. Okay, I'm going to smooth it down. I've got my little squeegees. I'm going to use the Duchess for the word relax. And then the Shimmer Moonlight in Nothing is Under Control. So I just want to make sure that I do not go off the surface. off the transfer onto my surface. Need a little bit more paste there. And I know it's a little bit early for me tonight, but sometimes you have to work around things, and I thought I had the opportunity. Might as well go live when I had time available. Okay. So I'm smoothing this out, removing the excess, making sure I have everything covered, putting the paste back into my jar. Turn it around, and then I'm going to do the Nothing is Under Control and the Shimmer Moonlight. And like I said, nothing is under control. I thought I had a little sliver of time. Please excuse me. I will be right back. I've got to go grab Mom. You don't want to keep your transfers on a surface, especially something like paper or mirror or metal or glass, any longer than you have to once you've chalked them, because all those surfaces are extraordinarily smooth and your transfer will stick a little bit stronger the longer it's left on. So let's see how the waxing worked with this and if it resolved that issue or if it didn't make a difference. Well, it seems like it's lifting okay here. I missed the bottom of my R. I'm going to set this right, oops, it's not quite straight. Set it right back down and catch the bottom of my R. I'm notorious for missing the bottoms of my letters. Bottoms or the tops. Okay. I think that worked pretty well, and actually it was a little bit easier to lift up. That wasn't too tough. I like it. Be a little reminder to me to remember nothing is under control. As much as this control freak tries to, nothing is really under control. So you just have to relax and go with the flow. Well, so our little tip tonight is if you want to make applying to chalk suede a little bit easier, if you're a little nervous or apprehensive of chalking on paper, just wax the chalk suede paper, rub it in, and then buff it off. And that's all there is to it. Simple, easy. Now this is going to take about 8 minutes to dry, so I can't really show you it in the frame, but I'll take a little pic and post it up there in a little bit. Thank you so much for watching tonight. Hi, Teresa. How you doing? Oh, wonderful. You got your kit today. Isn't that exciting? Have you opened it up yet? I love the letterboard and the fonts and everything. I just think it's such a great perks pack. It's beautiful. How cool. My order from a few days ago shipped today, so I'm excited and anxious. Can't wait to get it. Yes, you already opened it. What do you think? I'm sure you're going to love it. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a nice rest of the evening. Like I said, I know I'm early. You like the surfaces? Oh, yes. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, there's so many new things. I know I'm, the order that my order that just shipped is actually has some of the new surfaces, like the ones that, the arched at the top that could be used for a tombstone or whatever. And, oh, and I've got all my Chockable chips. I got them. They came Saturday from one of my other orders, and I wasn't going to show them today, but, I'm excited to get playing around with them and stuff. Really anxious. I'll probably be doing, oh, no, I can't. I'm waiting. I'm doing Christmas in July. Oh, I almost forgot about it. Christmas in July starts Monday. It's going to be the 24th through the 28th, maybe the 29th. We'll see about that. And some of the transfers and the chalkable surfaces that coordinate are just awesome. I'm just so anxious to get playing around with that stuff. Have you ever considered becoming a designer for Chalk Couture? There's lots of different ways to work the business, and it truly is lots of fun. There's a lot of support, training, a wonderful group. The camaraderie is absolutely amazing. Here's a peek at our Autumn's Perks pack. You could sign up and pay $99 for this pack, valued at $2.90 in the US, or you could sign up just for $9.99 to activate your designership. What's included in the Autumn Perks pack? Some fan favorites. Obviously, there's going to be the monthly Club Couture transfer. There's the Highland Cow, the framed Autumn Vibes, the letterboard font, and a cute little transfer called Love and Butter. For surfaces, there's the letterboard, 19 by 13 inches, a Couture Boutique Chalkable Chip white tiles, 12 pieces, also the Couture Boutique flip sign, which is brand new, a double-sided pedestal frame, a double-sided 9 by 12 box frame, Chalkology paste, palette packs of 6 different colors, the collection of Leaves and Breeze, and also the collection of Everyday Home, and then a 3-ounce jar of bright white Chalkology paste. For tools and accessories, there's the color trays, small squeegee, and placement tape. What an awesome collection. I'd love to have you join my team. I've put the address at the bottom here. It's www.chalkcouture.com/KB, and just click up at the top where it says Become a Designer for more information. Or comment team, and I'll be happy to point you in the direction of a no obligation video that tells you all about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.